For real, nigga. Drive out of town, bro. Phoenix. Go far, bro, and don't look back.
I heard you, nigga.
Just remember what I'm saying, man.
All right, nigga, I heard you.
TK.
Punch, nigga, you just gave me a whole lecture about not snitching, nigga. I heard
And
you.
remember, nigga, keep your mouth closed.
All right, nigga, which one you want me to do? You want me to get the fuck out of Dodge? Or you want me to keep my mouth closed?
Both.
I know fear when I smell it. As a matter of fact, you smell that? Smell like straight bitch.
You know your boy in the next room, maybe you might want to holler at him, man. He's not as solid as you think.
The fuck's that even mean, dog?
I tell you what, I'll make a deal with you. I bet you I'll get you to snitch for your little homie. Guarantee you.
To the max.